guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Pineapple Squad. So as you can see in the title, today we're gonna put Drugstore concealer versus a very high-end popular concealer that it's like everywhere. A lot of YouTubers are using it, and I bought it a couple of months ago, and I want you guys to see the comparison and see what you guys think. I'm wearing them both today. Which one do you guys think is high-end? And which one do you guys think is Drugstore? Comment down below without watching the video to see if you get it right. And if you're not part of the Pineapple Squad, don't forget to join the squad. Hit the notification bell so you can be always notified of my videos. YouTube is on a funk lately where they don't notify people of videos. So if you're one of those, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit the notification and subscribing button. And without further ado, if you want to know which concealer is gonna be best, then please keep on watching. And I am gonna wear these out throughout the whole day, so let's see. Alright guys, so we're gonna start, and the two concealers that I have is, for Drugstore, I have the Make Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour, and it's this one right here. So this is the one I'm gonna use on my left side for Drugstore, and then on my right side I'm going to use this one, and this is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I want to use this on my right side because I purchased it because everybody was raving crazy about it, and I'm like, let's see if this is good. And to be honest, I'm not that obsessed with it. I don't think that it does something like, you know, like, oh my god, like it's the best thing in the world. So I want to put them to the test. So yeah, I'm gonna start with this one. I'm gonna start with the Drugstore one on my right side. I'm just gonna okay, so now I'm gonna blend it out with my sponge, and this is the one I bought from Shop Miss A. You guys know this is my favorite sponge, so I'm gonna use that one. And it's cleaned. It's a little like dirt, like kinda like stained, but it's cleaned. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And now I'm gonna use the other side of the beauty blender, and I'm gonna put my Drugstore one here, and they're around the same color, so it's not gonna like notice so much. So I'm gonna put this one here. Okay, so this is how they both look on my eye. And I am going to use a high-end powder to set the high-end concealer. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier A1. I do like this powder. I do think it works. It's just that, obviously, I have other powders that I like also, and that work the same way. So, using the... Man, I forgot which end it was, but that doesn't even matter. So, I'm going to set this one. Oh, wait. I have to take off the creases. For Drugstore, I'm going to use my Coty one. My hair's such a mess right now, y'all. And just to let you guys know, I'm not putting the setting powders to the test. I just want to set it with something high-end. So, that's why. I'm going to take this one off already with nothing on the brush because it's been there already a long time. So, I'm going to take it off. Okay. Looks pretty good. It looks pretty normal. Now I'm just going to let this one set the same amount of time, and then I'm going to take it off. So that's how they both look on my skin. Though they look like pretty much the same. Let me just check for creasing. They pretty much look the same, to be honest. I can still see darkness on both eyes, so I definitely need to continue color correcting like I used to, because you could definitely see the darkness. But it looks good. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and then I will be right back just to wrap up the video. Okay, so this is the final look right here, and I'm gonna wear this out throughout the whole day. I'm going to work. I should be back by 9:30 or 10. It is 1:13 right now, so we're gonna see how it plays out to see, you know, if it's like which one's better, which one gets oily. And I'm doing this video mainly because for some reason my concealer gets so nasty and so ugly throughout the day, like right on my nose and under my eyes. It looks disgusting, and sometimes I don't even want to talk to people so close because it looks so bad. But you guys know what I mean. So I'm gonna put this to the test. I'm gonna see if it really works. If the high-end one works, I'm gonna invest my money into always have a high-end concealer then, because I love my Makeup Revolution concealer so much and my other drugstore concealers. So we're gonna see how they play out, and then I'll let you guys know throughout the day. Alright guys, so it is 9:29 p.m. and it's been 9 hours or almost 9 hours, and I have both concealers. I haven't touched it, I haven't done anything. I've been trying not to touch my face, although the foundation did get off like around my mouth area, but that happens all the time. And I haven't put powder on my face or anything, if you are curious. And I'm just gonna look now. I did look at work like around 6 and it looked pretty good, and I was kind of shocked at both sides. But let's see, like always the foundation got out from my nose. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. As you can see, it did crease on my eyes, this side more than this side. You can see that, but the drugstore one creased more on my eyelids. That's crazy. See, look. So let's see, they both got super nasty inside of my nose, as you can see. Like they both got super nasty. That's disgusting right there. Look at that. That's just disgusting right there. This side does have like a line. I don't know if you guys can see that line. I don't know where it came from. I'm just gonna go like this. No guys, they look pretty much the same. Guys, they look pretty much the same. What do you guys think? This is the drugstore, this is the high end. Although, like, aside from like my nose issues, which were the same on both sides, what do you guys think? Like, So I'm gonna say that this was a tie when it comes to the eyes, but obviously the drugstore one is more oily and it creased more. So obviously that happened. We saw it with my eyelids. It definitely creased more, but they pretty much look the same and they look pretty good. Like you guys are looking really close up, so you guys can see like they're not even that different. It looks pretty nice. Looks really nice. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I just noticed it. The high-end side does look smoother than this side, but that's probably just because of the powder or something. I don't even know. But is it worth paying $32 for this when it's gonna look so similar, almost the same as this one that's $8? Not really. I don't think it's worth it. This was the point of me to do this video because I found myself a little like mad because I purchased a concealer that was $32. So I was like, okay, I can't be buying $32 over and over again for a concealer that doesn't even bring a lot of products. So yeah, it's definitely not worth it. I will totally be repurchasing my ColourPop concealer and my Makeup Revolution concealer because I don't think it's worth it at all. And I have very bad under eyes, and you guys know this, but yeah, I think we know the truth here. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. God bless you. And I will see you guys very soon in my next video.